Hi, this is the technical overview of DocuMap. This web application is running on my local host, and front end and back end both are developed in Python. For the front end part, I'm using the Streamlit library of Python, and in back end we are using DocuSign APIs and ArcGIS APIs. So this application has multiple pages. We will go through all of them one by one. So on this dashboard page, I'm calling the list envelope APIs, and it gives the all the envelope information. So this donut plot is for uh, getting the information on what is the status of all the envelope generated till now. So it gives the list of all the statuses and gives the percentage of each of the category. And then we have another plot of number of envelopes sent on a particular day, and the highest day is highlighted with the green. The next page is the generate map. So here we are using the uh, ArcGIS API. So uh, it requires two input. One is title and another is shapefile zip. So what it will do is it will use the ArcGIS JavaScript library in backend, and it will plot all the polygons on the base map layer, and it will give us the output as a single image. So we can view the all the generated image till now by going to view map page. So uh, this is how it looks like when it is when the map image is generated. So for this I have removed other polygon shape just for the demo purpose only. So this way the map image is generated. So this image will be used in sending the document envelope. So next page is send envelope. So here we'll have to fill up some details here. So these details uh, will look something like whenever the envelope has been sent. So we can view how that information looks like. So first input we are taking here is the title. So this is the subject part, and next we have description here. So this is the subject and this is the description, and then we have select an image. So we have to choose one image here, whichever we have generated from the generate map page, and we can write the recipient details here, name and email address. If we want to add more recipient, we just have to click on the plus button, so we can add as many as we want. And then we have map URL. So this will go here. So this is the map URL of ArcGIS online hosted layer. So in order to get the real-time input from the chimpanzee experts, we can share this map, and just have to click on share and we'll get the URL here. And this map is enabled as a edit allowed only, and so that way uh, the chimpanzee experts can edit the map. And then we have another input of version, so it will showcase here. And this is the text box. Currently it is a completed document, otherwise it will show one here text box. So whatever input of chimpanzee experts wants to give, they can write here. And then we have another radio button with the yes and no. So if revision is required, then they will have to select yes. And then one more input is attach document. So chimpanzee experts want to attach any additional document, to the envelope, they can drag and drop here. And then there is a signing tab, but it is optional. If chimpanzee experts want some revision, so they will not have to sign. So whatever the attachment they have uploaded, it will be appended to the envelope. And this is the inline map image that we have selected from select 10 image. So it will look here, and it will have draw field enable on it. So the experts, if the experts wants to draw here only, they can draw here also, or otherwise they can go to the ArcGIS online and they can draw on that also. So in this page, we are using the sand envelope DocuSign API, and this image will be included as a inline HTML. And there is one more provision of enable versioning. So when any revision is required, so what they can do is, here GIS expert can uh, enable this checkbox, and they can drag and drop the updated maps here, and all the feedbacks received from previous cycle, which is this one. So they can enable this, so they can have track record of what was the progress and what was the comments and suggestion. So again, number of records, number of documents can be increased by here. And they also can write one name here for what the document name is. So this documents will be attached as a PDF file, so they will be included in envelope as a PDF file. So like that way, revision map and the first version of map can be envelope can be sent. And so this is how revision envelope will look like. So it has a initial revision document, and then it will have appended document of the first version of envelope. So this time we will not have any inline HTML image. So this is the from feedback of user one, whatever the feedback they have given, it will be here. So this is the feedback of user one, and then we'll have another document appended, which will be the feedback of user 2. So like that way they can run multiple review cycles until agreement is reached. Next page we have is envelope history. So this page calls around 3 DocuSign APIs, which is list envelopes, list envelope recipients, and then we have get envelope documents and download those documents. So 4 DocuSign APIs. So we have here provision of selecting a date here. So this is added just to decrease the load here, otherwise it will go and fetch the all the documents generated till now. So like this way it will be filtered out, and only the selected dates envelope will be showcased here, as this APIs is taking little bit of more time to give us the response. And also there is a scope of code refactoring that can be done. And so yeah, so this way we can have one donut plot again with the statuses of envelope sent on this particular date. So we have more number of completed documents and declined and deleted and sent and delivered. So if DocuSign introduces some new events, then it will be automatically handled here. we haven't done any hard code part for these plots on this one and on the dashboard both page. And then we'll have some UI here for listing the envelopes. So what this is the subject of envelope and dash the username. So like that way we can differentiate which envelope is which one. So this is the first version of envelopes, and then we applied the revision. So they can just click on this, so it will expand and we can have some more details of that envelope. So these are the list envelope APIs. Then we get this username and user details is a uh, envelope recipient API. Then we have this tab values. So whichever the tab value chimpanzee experts have filled in envelope, we are fetching this from that. So this is the get tab values. Then we again have to get the documents of that envelope, and then we'll have to download those envelopes. So two APIs for that. So we just have to click on the download button and it will be downloaded, that PDF file. So this is the PDF of that. So this way we can view all the envelopes detail one by one. Thank you.